Latika Priya from 10th class. I'm here in before of all of you to say about the women empowerment. The word empowerment itself means that a power or authority given to someone to do something. In very simple words, the empowerment of women can be described as making women empowered so that they can make their own decisions of their life and well-being in family or society. It empowers women to allow them to obtain their own rules and societies. The word women empowerment itself implies that the women are not much powerful and they need to be empowered. This painful truth is in existence in the society for a long time ago. It is in the recent years that noticeable work made started to begin the uplift of women. The patriarchal society suppressed the women's freedom across the world. Women were confined to the households. It is in the recent times that the woman has realized that they are not much meant to only to households and to the society. More and more women crossed the man-made barriers and the world has begun to witness the rise of the woman. As time passed, more and more women started to come together and raise their voice against the society and fought for their freedom. No woman can be empowered if she is not financially independent. Gone are the days when the women had to depend on their father or husband to get the things that they really wanted. Women empowerment cannot be successful if the women in the lower rung of the society were not empowered. Women empowerment in India cannot be compared with the other countries. The country has seen its women prime minister and president. The country has many eminent sports persons and the country has many talented women scientists. However, there are many women in India who are still finding it hard to cross the clutches of the society. Clutches of the patriarchal society, particularly in the rural sector. It is the duty of the empowered women to urge these women to raise their voice, protest and seek help from the authorities. Women were denied a lot of opportunities and they were missed a lot of things that would change their future. However, women deserve a lot of opportunities in the education, in the career, in the society and so on. This women empowerment is a very important task that every one of us should undertake. This is because empowering women is equal to the empowering the community and the generation that come on. Does not solely lay on the government but everyone in the society. So let's make women empowered. Thank you.
Excellent, Latika.